खुद का काम खुद करना चाहिए. Packing is so hard. Anyway, the packing is good. It's not coming out. Crazy shit, it's not coming out, man. I've ordered 2 of these things, not even 1. So let's see what happens. Damn. So the thing you'll see, I've taken it out. Let's see, it is like stuck to each other with the tape. This is what is the packing, nothing inside. This is what I get. 1 year warranty thing. Let's see what's inside. I hope it's not broken. First I'll open this one. So, well and good. It is not broken. No upside. Let's take it out. Wow. That's good. As per the picture. We have the coil here inside. I have to check if it's working or not. Oh damn. And now I'll open the other one. See the actual thing. Sure, this is the second one. I'm taking it out. Oh, it's not broken. See, it's a new piece. Let's see inside. Good enough. Plastic smell is coming out. Let's see how it boils. But I feel it'll be good. Anyway, yeah, the button is going well. We have the same cordless stuff and the base here. That's the base. That's the base. So let's see how it does things. Anyway, so unboxing is done.